Alright, welcome back all my mud truck fans. The Mega Mud Truck's back out here, and we've gotten a ton of rain in the past couple days. So we get to play in some mud. Hopefully nothing happens and breaks right off the bat. It's been a while since I had this thing out here. Got a lot of water in that one. Ain't been very many people over here where I'm at. Usually there's a lot of four-wheelers and stuff that ride over here. Yeah. Not really muddy right here. Let's just see if we can find something else. Okay, this here looks a little gooey. A little bit. I know I can find better. It'll sling some mud. Gone. Okay. Got ourselves a huge mud hole right here. Let's see if we can hit the outskirts on here some parts. And to find some muddy spots. Yeah, it just ain't muddy. Everything's just so. See if I can get some of it to break up here. Oh yeah, we sunk the back end down on that one. There we go, I got to hit full throttle there for a second. That's what I like seeing. I like seeing that mud fly. Woo! Ooh, doggy. She quick. Oh. Go across this end here, see how it is. It comes out the other side, it picks up the front end. There's a wheelie. Definitely getting traction. Yeah. Come on, keep going. Uh-oh, I got hung up on something there. baby. Whoa! That was deep there. A little deeper than I expected it to be. Definitely getting it dug out now. Yeah. I like that. Look at that power. Do a power wheelie here. Whoa. Okay. I think I might just pop the tire off the rim there. Check that out. Yep, I sure did. That blew tire right out of the rim. Ah. Well, there you go, guys. That's gonna be it for this run, I guess. Let's go get that tire fixed. I tell you what, she's still strong. Still doing good, so definitely gotta order a set of bearings all the way around for this thing. It definitely needs bearings. It don't matter how much you clean them and stuff like that. When you're done, after a while they don't matter. So, alright guys, I hope you liked that little video there. There goes geese. Sorry geese, didn't mean to scare you. But yeah, I hope you liked that little run there. And we'll see you in the next one. I'll have this thing back out real soon. Well, we might as well hit these little mud holes on the way out, huh? This thing's got power. Castle ESC and 7700 kV motor in there. That's stock spur gear from the Everest 10. I got 21 tooth pinion on the motor, so. I can't do a wheelie now. Over there, it's getting real good traction over there. That tire being blowed out. So, yeah.